Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. So you got one incredible application called as AI Outdoor Mode, which should work on all OnePlus OxygenOS 16 running devices. This application is actually extracted from OnePlus sibling OEM that is OPPO Color OS 16, which has added the new AI Outdoor Mode with some new add-on features. OxygenOS 16 already have the simple outdoor mode feature, but it's not integrated with the AI features. But once you get this application, you can integrate with AI, and some of its features are really working on OnePlus devices. So today we'll check out how to install this application, what are its new features, and at the end I will mention some bugs of this feature. These application features really helped me to boost the performance of my OnePlus 12R, which was really lagging on OxygenOS 16. So watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. First, I will show you the OnePlus stock outdoor mode features details, and later we will compare them with the new AI outdoor mode. Under the settings and accessibility convenience option, you will find the new outdoor mode. This feature currently offers the features like enhance a call sound, which automatically turns on the clear voice feature when you call anyone in outdoor mode. If your device isn't connected to Bluetooth audio devices, it turns on the speaker audio with the maximum volume when the calls are connected. This is especially useful when you are riding the bike and want to answer the calls immediately. This mode extends the screen off time of the device by 5 minutes and increases the notification and ringtone volumes to the maximum to ensure you don't miss the notifications or call in outdoor mode. But the new AI outdoor mode offers some extra add-ons to this feature. Just download the APK given in the description and install it as a normal APK. Now under the accessibility and convenience option, you will get the new AI outdoor along with the old one. Let's first check out how to set up this for proper working. Once you open the settings, give all the permissions that pop ups on your screen. Then tap on the toggle for AI outdoor mode. Now it will ask for SMS permission. Just swipe back, give all the other permissions, and now to give SMS permission, tap on the setting. It will redirect you to the AI outdoor mode app management setting. Then tap on the top right side three dot menu, then tap on the allow restricted setting, give fingerprint or any password or PIN access. Now go to the manage notification and then tap on the SMS and select allow. That's it. Now your AI outdoor mode will work properly. Let's check out what is this new application offers. When you enable it, this AI features greatly improves the outdoor visibility by enhancing the screen clarity, increasing volume, boosting the network speed, and optimizations of system performance. To quickly toggle on or off this feature or to access its setting, you can add its widget on the home screen by using this option. This will provide you the new widget on the home screen. This new setting page now offers an option to automatically enable the outdoor mode when you are using some specific supported applications like Blinkit, Swiggy, Zomato, etc. It provides the smart optimizations for supported applications like Instagram, Maps, WhatsApp, YouTube, and some other you can check on the screen. Even you can schedule to turn on or off this feature automatically for specific days, time, and duration using the schedule option. When you are using these applications, AI outdoor mode automatically gets activated and provides the AI faster order, which means it improves the network along with the new AI performance optimization feature, which helps to optimize the device performance when you are in outdoor conditions where temperatures are high. Except for AI faster order and system optimization, it offers the enhanced screen brightness, sound amplification, and auto switch to speaker mode on the calls. All of these features are also available in the normal outdoor mode feature, which is already available in the OxygenOS 16. But here you get the toggle to enable or turn off them separately. Let's check out how the AI outdoor mode works. Once you have enabled the enhancer screen, when you turn on the outdoor mode, screen brightness goes to its maximum brightness level. Screen off time extends to maximum 30 minutes, which only extend to 5 minutes in the stock outdoor mode setting. New AI outdoor mode automatically activates the focus mode, which has some extra features to avoid distractions when you are riding the car or the bike. It have the advanced D&D mode setting to customize as per priorities for contacts, calls, and the notifications. When AI outdoor mode is activated and your device is not connected with the Bluetooth devices, it automatically activates the speakers with the maximum volume when the device gets connected with any incoming or outgoing call. I especially liked the AI performance optimization. This feature not only works for specific application that we mentioned earlier, but also optimizes the overall device performance when the AI outdoor mode is enabled. It really feels the device is running very smooth, apps opening, closing, scrolling, switching between applications. All system animation feels more smoother with the AI outdoor mode. Even this feature slightly improved my OnePlus 12R device performance, which was highly degraded with the OxygenOS 16 update. I think this feature avoids the CPU throttling of the device due to the temperature rise in outdoor mode. So the device runs smoothly even if the CPU temperature rises to its maximum level. Who can use both the stock outdoor mode with the new AI outdoor mode. So who can use some features of the stock outdoor mode and some extra features of the new AI outdoor mode like system performance optimization, AI faster order for network optimizations, focus riding with the advanced D&D and the scheduling of the outdoor mode for specific applications and for specific time periods. But AI outdoor mode has some bugs, like it may sometimes crash, especially when you try to enable it using the AI outdoor widget. This widget did not show enable and exit options properly, but you can directly access the AI outdoor mode setting using this widget and can enable the setting toggle manually. Sometime even after enabling the AI outdoor mode, screen brightness did not rise to its maximum level. We have to manually toggle its switch to make it work. Sound alert amplifier did not increase the volume to the maximum level for the ring and notifications. Except for these bugs, it greatly optimizes the device performance and the network, which I think is a game changer for users who are facing the lag when device temperature rises due to the heavy gaming, heavy CPU intensive applications, and due to outdoor high temperature. The device feels smoother while using the outdoor mode. So as per my opinion, you can enable the AI outdoor mode when you are outside and even when you are indoor while playing games or using CPU intensive tasks to maintain the device performance. This is all over for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OxygenOS and OnePlus. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.